So, honey, today we're going on an aeroplane.
Okay. Which airline?
I don't know yet, honey.
I think it's British Airways, Dad.
Actually, not actually British Airways. You know, we're Sylvanians and it's Sylvanian Airways today.
But it's got the same colours as British Airways, right?
Yeah, of course it was.
Okay. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going first.
Hey, wait for me!
Okay. There's no rush.
No rush, no rush. Definitely no rush.
I'll beat you first.
Hey, I want to be first.
No, I want to be first. No rush. Ow! Ow!
Oh.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Mummy, you pushed me over.
Uh.
Hey, no, you pushed me over. Hey, I wasn't involved.
Oh, please, I did it. I'm so sorry.
Hey,
Are you going to the airport?
sorry. Yeah, we're going on the Sylvanian Airways.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, wait, the flight.
Finally on the plane. Yeah, I've been waiting so long.
This is the captain speaking. We're about to take off. Please fasten your seatbelts, first class, second class, and ordinary class. This is a special service to London. We're now landed above the ground. Yay!
Mom,
Yes?
where are we going?
We're going to London.
Oh, okay. Any food? Anybody food?
Oh, yes, please.
What would you like?
I like some...
Oh no, you can't get some. Let me just get some more from some kitchen. Right, there we are. So what would you like?
Can I have a pepper, please?
Pepper? Sure. Just pepper?
The green pepper.
Okay. Right. Got a plate here. Put the spatula. Get some food on it.
Okay.
Got some for you?
Thank you.
Any drink?
No thanks.
Here. Here we are.
Thank you. Attention please, all passengers. We're about to land. This will be a bit bumpy. Please fasten your seatbelts for this.
Go!
Thank you for riding Sylvanian Airlines.